Today, we'll be discussing a devastating event that has recently shaken the city of Los Angeles and surrounding areas. Just a few days ago, a massive wildfire broke out, leaving destruction in its wake. Let's dive into the details. Wildfire ignited in the hills of Los Angeles, California. The fire, fueled by strong winds and dry conditions, quickly spread across insert number acres of land. In just a matter of hours, it destroyed homes, forced thousands to evacuate, and claimed lives. The fire was so powerful that it overwhelmed firefighters, making it nearly impossible to contain. Smoke filled the sky, and the blaze could be seen from miles away. Show visuals of the wildfire and news clips. This fire is just one of many in a region that has become increasingly prone to wildfires due to climate change. Rising temperatures, prolonged droughts, and dry vegetation have turned California into a wildfire hotspot. The human toll of this disaster is immense. Over insert number, people lost their lives, and thousands of families were displaced as they fled their homes to escape the flames. Around insert number, homes and businesses were destroyed, leaving behind nothing but ashes and rubble. The emotional and financial damage is unfathomable.